Find your freedom in the music. Find your Jesus. Find your Kubrick. You will never fall apart, Diana. You're still in our hearts. All right. Well, it's my first day back going to the gym since my tattoo. And that's my excuse about why I haven't been to the gym since... Oh my God. I don't think I went to the gym all week. Truth be told. All right, today I'm rocking the boots, going a little doing country today. My brother has a dinner today. I'm breaking out so bad, so I put these pimple patches on my face. But yeah, he has his birthday dinner tonight, so we're gonna go do that. I'm gonna go pick up some balloons and yeah, get this party started. All right, balloons are grabbed. That took forever, honestly. But now that that's out of the way, I think I am in the mood for a little treat. I think I'm gonna just park here because I don't know what else to do. Ooh. I am not having a good time. I love fries. Stress eating. I'm breaking out so bad. I don't know. I have these like times of the month where I just break out worse than others. And it's weird. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's a type of like a time of the month, literally. So I don't know if there's something wrong with my hormones or what. But yeah, like I'm not doing good right now. My whole face is basically breaking out. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. Yeah, I'm just not really feeling all that well. Oh my gosh. Jasper's concerned. There's some dog barking, saying a lot of threatening things, and we just don't get it. I'm currently sitting outside basking in the afternoon sunlight, appreciating the sun's warmth while it lasts. I'm just trying to get this ball rolling. I took Jasper on a walk. He liked it. He loves walking. My journals have been doing really good on here, and I'm really happy about that. I'm happy people are becoming aware and cognizant of journaling. I think it's something that I've talked about since day one in my life. It's something I really stand by because, like, we don't know, and our subconscious is so loud and strong and it wants to be heard, but there's so much noise in our daily life that it's hard to hear our subconscious. And when we write and we just let the pen go and let our minds loose a little, our subconscious, it demands to be heard. And there's so much in there. It's not everything, but there's a lot. It's shadow work. So, yeah. Well, ooh, there's an airplane. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? 'Cause I could really use a wish right now, a wish right now, wish right now.